Huh? Ah, what? Mm-hmm.
Oh, here's some ways to get rid of it. Number one, scare away the hiccups. Okay, boyfriend, can you find a way to scare me?
I
No? Well, that's too bad. Where'd he go?
give me the best one, man. Boo.
Okay, let's try something else. Oh, drink a glass of cold water? Babe, can you hand me a glass?
Yeet. Oh shit.
I said, hand it to me, not throw it, you shit. What else can you try? Bite on a lemon.
Wait, what? Ty.